Hello, good afternoon, Hans. Am I audible?
Yes po, ate.
Okay. Thank you so much for coming here for even for the short notice. Anyway, we will now start the conduct of our study. Please listen carefully to the instruction video to understand what to do.
Greetings and welcome. We would like to thank you for making time for this activity. Your presence is very much appreciated for the success of our academic pursuits as second year students of Bachelor of Arts in Psychology in the subject Experimental Psychology. To keep things short, instructions are as follows. We highly encourage that you are in a place free from distractions. Well lighted rooms, soundproof environment, and conducive area is recommended. Cell phones are not allowed to be used for the duration of this activity. It is deemed that you open your camera for the whole duration of the activity for us to be able to see you. Microphones will be kept muted unless told otherwise. For the experiment proper, words and images will be flashed by the experimenter one by one for a length of 5 seconds each. After all items have been presented, you will be asked to list down the things you can remember in no particular order. After the activity, you will be directed to another Google Meet link for the second part of the activity. Again, thank you so much for your participation.
Your 2 minutes are finished and your answers are acknowledged. Thank you so much for your participation. This time you will be directed to another Google Meet link for part 2. Link sent in the chat box. Thank you, and our fellow members for this activity are waiting for you, Mr. Deducins. Thank you.
Thank you din po.
Welcome
Welcome
to
to
part 2
part
of
2
our
of our
activity.
activity.
We
We
hope that
hope
you are
that you
in
are
good
in good
condition
condition
after the
after the
first
first
activity.
activity.
For this
For this
part,
part,
the
the
same
same
procedure will
procedure
be
will be
followed.
followed.
Words and
Words and
images will be
images will be
flashed by
flashed
the
by the
experimenter
experimenter
one by
one by
one for a
one for a
length of
length of
5
5
seconds
seconds
each.
each.
After all
After all
items have
items
been
have been
presented,
presented,
you will
you
be
will be
asked
asked
to
to
list down the
list down the
things you
things
can
you can
remember
remember
in no
in no
particular
particular
order.
order.
After the
After the
activity,
activity,
we
we
encourage you to
encourage you to
stay for a
stay for a
while
while
for an
for an
important
important
announcement.
announcement.
Again,
Again,
thank you
thank
so
you so
much for
much
your
for your
participation.
participation.
Your 2 minutes are finished and your answers are acknowledged. Thank you so much for your participation. And for the important announcement, we would like to reveal the true purpose of the study, which aims to identify the impact of color in terms of memory skills. This study is in fact entitled An Experimental Research: The Link Between Colors and Memory Performance. So, as written in the informed consent that you signed, we actually put in there a different title. And the reason for that deception is to ensure that raw and honest answers from you will be gathered like in a valid manner and with reliability as well. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you so much, Hans Nicole Dedusin, for your positive response to this activity. And before I end, as a token of our gratitude, you can type in your number and as well as the network if it's Globe Smart TM, uh, talk and text, or paano ba, so we can send you the 50 peso load again as our sign of thanks. Thank you so much, Hans.
Thank you
Thank
po,
you po,
ate.
ate.
Gonna
Gonna
send it
send
lang
it lang
here sa
here sa
Gmeet.
Gmeet.
Yes, yes, on in the chat box po.
Sige po.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good
Good
luck.
luck
God
and
bless
God
on your
bless on your
research.
research.
Thank you.